Hey guys, Glen Affiliate Profit Pages. How are you? This is my Checkmate review. This is a really cool software that's coming out on the market, or if you're watching this at a later date, it's out on the market. It's a very cool affiliate marketing suite. So this is going to be the Checkmate review, and it's going to be a tutorial, and I'll go through a demo, and I'll sort of show you my thoughts on it and if it's worth picking up or what you can do with it, that kind of stuff. So first off, if you like videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, and then I'll show you the software, and if you want to get it, I'll show you how to get it at a discount. So the first thing is, and I've got some crazy awesome bonuses. Actually, you'll want to pick this up just for the bonuses. I'm kind of like not kidding. Let me see if I can find the bonuses here. Let's see. Oh, I just think there it is. All right. So I don't have a video for you guys today, so I'm just going to go through the bonus page here and what is Checkmate and kind of explain what it is. So basically, Checkmate is by Mark Barrett and James Fawcett, and these are two marketers that I actually follow very, very closely. I bought a bunch of their software, their training, and I actually basically follow them since I've gotten onto Warrior Plus. Just so you know, I was promoting a lot of other programs, and then I was promoting ClickBank, and then I started promoting Warrior Plus. So just following these guys, just let me show you a quick. This is just as you can see. Oh, I'm logged out there. You can see. Let's go. Let me log in. I'm just going to show you guys like following their techniques, and this is why one of the reasons about Checkmate is really cool, because you're going to get kind of access to those guys. Oh, it takes forever to log in. Okay, log back in. So basically, guys, oh, it's just switched over the day at 10 o'clock. So basically, guys, I've just started really promoting Warrior Plus in the last 30 days is $500, but it's only been like the last couple of weeks that it took a couple of weeks. I didn't get any sales, and then I started getting sales, and now it's really starting to escalate, which is cool. Like yesterday was a $184 day. Last 7 days were 227, which it wasn't great. There was some small days in there, $513. But that's basically what's happening, and I really attribute that to James and Mark, like what they are teaching, what they're doing. I'm in their elite sort of marketing thing, so I'm seeing that, and it's just getting started. So I can easily see snowballing this in about 60 days into easily the way it's going, probably $1,000 days. Like it's very, very cool how they escalate it. So this is their product. Most of their products have been training products. So this is cool that it's actually a software suite. So what is it? It's basically, let's see. It's basically a marketer suite for people that are getting started. Like, you're still going to need an autoresponder. You will still need a website, but other than that, everything they've got covered. They have a page builder, like a landing page builder. They have auto posting. So what they do is they do auto posting on Facebook, and they do auto posting on Instagram, two of the biggest things. And basically it just shows you how to derive traffic back to your landing pages. So how you do a campaign, and their training is going to show you that. So those are let's get down to the bonuses. That's what we want to see. So the first bonus is one of their flagship programs called Phoenix, which they actually don't sell anymore. So the only way you can get this is as a bonus. Also the breakout code, which is their other flagship. These two trainings together, guys, is what's really, this is kind of what I'm following. I've also got the Fuego multiplier. This is sold 20,000 copies, guys. You get a copy of that. You also get all my landing pages. I'm giving you all my top producing landing pages. There's more than 38 now. I'm going to get those. You're also going to get my full access to my 6-figure blueprint checklist. You're going to get you're going to get the Lost Code by Brendan Mace. This is amazing. This again has sold 20,000 copies as well. Turn $13 into $4,760 a week. You're going to get all the vendor bonuses. You're also going to get boost your online sales, $100 value, Facebook ads, $100 value, the buyer click Rolodex, which is $7 value, but it's very cool. The 30 ways to get free traffic, which is a very cool bonus for $100, affiliate marketing blueprint, list building, the newbie guide to internet success, and double your traffic. So that is the bonus package, guys. So let's go over to the sales page and we'll take a look at what this is and sort of go through it together. So reveal the secret all-in-one commission generating system, pays us on complete autopilot. It generates us hundreds of targeted buyer leads plus 1,067 daily in commissions and sales. Zero budget needed, zero experience or tech skills required. Excuse me. We get paid an average of $1,067 a day. 47 beta testers made money within the first 24 hours. No experience or hard work required. So basically, Checkmate training. So the training is really the key, guys. This has got a bunch of sales page, the usual stuff. And then what they're giving out as their bonuses, which is worth it as well. Step 1, step 2, let's go down. All right, bonus number 1, 10 done for you Checkmate converting funnels. So you're going to get the funnels there. You're going to get Resurgent Super Affiliate Reseller, so you're going to be able to resell one of their products, Resurgent, which is a great product. I'm a Resurgent reseller. Their little black book, all their traffic sources, which is really very cool. The 3-day Checkmate follow-up series. So they're going to give you a follow-up campaign there with along with the other bonuses. Okay, so that is kind of what the product is. Here is the back office. As you can see, when you come in here to the dashboard, I've only added a couple of my Facebook pages and my Instagram accounts. So I've done a post just playing around with it. It's pretty easy to use. You basically connect just one click and you connect your Facebook and your Instagram account. It asks you which pages do you want to connect, which Instagram accounts do you want to connect. Basically that's so from my Facebook, then it connects with you can see my work with Glen Murray is my Instagram account. I have 4.84 followers there. Let's see. Then you've got agency. That's one of the upgrades. And then you can find offers. So this is really cool. Instead of having to go to JVZoo or Warrior Plus, you just click on here and it's going to show you all the current offers that are out there. You're able to take a look at. So right now it's done for you health niche building. And these are this was launched September 6th. So these are current, they're pulling in the current offers. You can take a look at the sales page and then grab the deal, which means you just go over and grab your affiliate link and they'll train you how to get affiliate links. It has a page builder in it, which is pretty cool. The templates were okay. I think this page builder is good. I'm still a fan of Clickfunnels. And if you tried Clickfunnels, if you do pick this up, I'll put a link below for a 14-day trial of Clickfunnels, and you can compare the two. You can do a lot with this page builder. It's cool. I'm just so used to Clickfunnels, and it works really seamlessly. There's stuff in there that you just can't. I've tried so many page builders, guys, and I keep going back to Clickfunnels. Even Groove, I've made a bunch of pages in Groove, but I'm still go back to Clickfunnels because I just know it and it works really well. They give you done for you templates. Of course, this is the whole done for you. Remember, whenever I buy these programs, guys, if you can, always get them done for you, because it takes any of the basically the blocking that basically, you get stuck on something, you don't understand it, you can spend hours and it just bogs you down. When you get done for you stuff, they do all that, and if anything's not working correctly, they take care of it, and that's what I love about it. So they've got these done for you templates, and then you download the page, you upload it to your website. Facebook posting is pretty simple. They've got multimedia posting. Facebook Autopilot is where they basically basically it's a bot. It's basically someone comments on your campaign or your thing, you can reply to them right away. So instead of waiting until you've checked your Facebook and maybe there's a ton of messages and you don't get back to it, you get a reply right away, and then you're going to see it on your phone because you've replied, and they're going to reply back, and then it's going to pop up to the front, so you're going to get some of that. So you got a reply template, automatic campaign. I just started to play with that a little bit, seemed to work fine. Same thing with Instagram, same thing. There's an interest explorer. This is really cool, where you just type in any kind of keyword that you're, let's say you're doing, I don't know, you want to, maybe you're promoting a keto product, right? So this is really cool. It shows you on Facebook and Instagram, or Facebook, is it Instagram or Google, there's 75 million people that tag it as interested, or like additional interest, right, in ketone. So now you can start looking at how big is the audience that you're able to target when you're using keywords and targeting these interests. So that's really cool. Auto content is really cool. This is you can get it allows you to bring in RSS feeds, and it'll auto post right onto your Facebook account. So you're always getting fresh content. So, I did HubSpot. It's a marketing RS, so it'll just put stuff on my page. Auto blogging, I didn't play with this too much. It's really about being able to blog from here onto your blog. I'm not sure. I haven't looked at the whole thing yet, so I didn't go through training on that. It has a keyword research, and it has a website comparison, so it's pretty cool. So here, let me jump back on here. So that's Checkmate. That's basically the workings of it. Now, what do I like about it? I like that it's a marketing suite. I've seen quite a few of these. I think they work okay, and if you're getting started, it's going to work for you, especially if you get it done for you set up, so that at least you have something that's generating leads and sales in the background. The big thing on what I like about this suite is that you get access to Mark and James, and that's actually more valuable than the suite itself, I think. You get access to them by being a customer of theirs, and you're able to actually, especially if you do some of the upgrades where you and I'll go through the upgrades, where you're able to really reach out and contact them. So let's take a look at the upgrades here, just so you know the prices and the upgrades. All right, there's the bonuses. Now here we go. So the front end is basically the basic package, right? And that's going to be $17. You're going to get a discount, of course, if you scroll off the page. And then unlimited is going to be an upgrade of $47, or if you say no thank you or scroll off, you can get it for $27. So guys, give me a thumbs up. That's going to save you some really good cash there. And then the next one is the Autopilot. That is the keyword auto suggestions. I think this is a cool little thing. This is for $67, or a downgrade of $47, I believe. And then you've got the done for you package. I believe that's the $197, which they'll discount down to $97. And guys, this is the one I always say to grab if you can, because like I said, they set it up for you. They get all the work done. They give you a working system, as opposed to you going through the learning curve of trying to make it work yourself. And that way you're back and forth with the tech team. You get to know them. You're learning the thing inside out. The inner circle, I highly recommend the inner circle. I'm in there, and it's very great to have marketers that are making $1,000 a day, where you're able to really connect with them. I message James through Facebook multiple times a day, asking him questions, best practices, all that kind of stuff is really cool. Agency, you're able to use this on and put in customers and have customers and do this for people if you're looking at it as an agency. Unlimited traffic, this is where they put your ad pixel on their sales pages, so you're able to, anytime they make a sale, and they've got how many 20 products, every time that they make a sale, I don't know how many pages you get put on, but you're able to then, that your pixel fires, so you're getting information on who's buying that, right? And the super affiliate reseller bundle, I also have this one. It's basically, and this is a 67 with a down 47, I think. I'm not sure, these pricing might change, guys, but check it out. Go through each page as you're doing it. Reseller bundle pumps everything up to 80%. So all their products you get to be a reseller of, and you get to, when you're a new product, problem is obviously, so yeah, every single one of their products has a ridiculous 80% commission. That's huge, guys. That really can change someone goes through a funnel and buys 4 products, maybe instead of making $80, you're going to be making $200, which is a huge difference on the same one lead, right? So that is the review. That's the review of Checkmate. I would pick it up because of who is behind it and would you get access to them. Of course, you could go purchase one of their other products as well. This is just their newest baby, so they're going to be focusing on working on this. So that's really cool. The platform itself, if you're new and you're kind of getting started and you're like, oh, I don't know what I need, they're going to really help you. Like I said, you're still going to need an autoresponder. You're still going to need a web hosting. As far as I know, there's no autoresponder in there. If you do want to, the page builder, like I said, is cool. I will leave a link to my Clickfunnels if you want to take a 14-day trial on Clickfunnels, because I personally recommend that. And also, guys, you get all my funnels, because all my funnels are built in Clickfunnels right now. So if you want all those, you get those as well. So your Clickfunnels account could be full of funnels already. Boom, you're ready to go. You put your affiliate link and you can just start driving traffic to those pages and start making commissions. Very, very simple. And these are all landing pages that are basically how it works. And this is a little training for you guys. So you never want to send just an affiliate link, right? You always want to capture an email. Time and time again, if you're here, the money is in the list, the money's in the list, the money's in the list. That's where the money is, guys. It's in the list. A lot of people make products in order just to build a list, right? Because they get buyers. Someone buys their product, they're on their list, and they're a buyer. So if you have a list of buyers, it could be worth $5 a buyer per month, kind of thing. So it's like very, very important to have. That's overall, like if you had 100 buyers, each buyer's average would be worth $5 per month, kind of thing. Anyways, so again, going back to Checkmate, yes, is it the best software? I don't think it's really the best. It's okay. I think that there's room for improvement, and again, that's why if you do want to pick it up, get the done for you. But if you just want to sort of dabble in it, get the front end, get the unlimited, play with it, pick up the inner circle, get familiar with it, really glean information from these marketing experts. Pick up my bonuses. You get those killer bonuses, all right? Which those programs that you're able to pick up there they're responsible for making thousands and thousands of dollars. In fact, they're responsible for making some people online into the 7 figures. Like, that's noble. That's what they're doing. What's being taught in those few courses as bonuses is exactly what people are doing and scaling their businesses way up there to thousands of dollars every single day. So that's it. This has been Checkmate review, demo, tutorial. Make sure if you do want to grab it, click the link below. Check out the Clickfunnels. Grab my bonuses. Take it for a test drive. I think especially if you're getting started, it's going to really help you sort of get some traction going. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.